Hi, it's Adrian here from BSZ Food, and today we're gonna have beef ribs. First step, we're gonna trim all the fat off from the top, and then put the membrane off the back. Alright, okay. As you see, it's pretty easy. Ah, so simple. Next, cover the beef ribs with American mustard. Next, we're gonna cover with extra mojo. Don't forget the edges. Now we're gonna put it in the smoker at 120 degrees Celsius for about 2 hours. While the meat's cooking, you need to prepare spritz. I use a cup of water and a cup of apple cider vinegar. After 2 hours, you need spritz every hour. Beef ribs is ready. Probably around 98 degrees Celsius. Feels like butter. Let's take one out. That's it, beef ribs is ready. Took 6 hours, don't need to rest. Cut it up and eat it.